In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Instagram to Shopify store. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside your store admin, look toward the settings area. This is where you will manage important store connections and integrations. Open the settings section so you can access the tools needed for this setup. From there, click on Apps. This will take you to the area where Shopify apps and sales channel integrations are managed. The goal here is to install the official Facebook and Instagram by Meta app, since this is the app that connects your Shopify store with Meta business assets in a secure and supported way. Go to the Shopify App Store and find the official Facebook and Instagram by Meta app. Make sure you are selecting the official version from Meta so the integration works properly. Once you find it, install the app and allow it to be added to your Shopify store. After the installation finishes, open the app and click Start Setup to begin the connection process. Next, you will be asked to connect your personal Facebook account. This account must already have administrative access to the business assets you plan to use. That includes the business manager, the Facebook page, and the Instagram business account connected to your brand. Use the correct Facebook login so you do not run into permission issues during setup. After that, select your Facebook Business Manager account. This is the business portfolio that holds the assets for your store and brand presence across Meta platforms. Choose the correct one carefully, especially if your Facebook account has access to more than one business manager. Once that is done, select the Facebook business page associated with your store. This should be the page that represents your business publicly and is tied to your brand. Choosing the correct page is important because it helps connect your store to the right Meta presence. Finally, connect your Instagram business account. Be sure it is a business account and not a personal profile, since business features are required for this integration to work correctly with Shopify. Select the correct Instagram account and complete the prompts on screen to finish linking everything together. Once the connection is complete, your Shopify store and Instagram account will be connected through Meta's official integration. That covers everything you need to know.